Hi, it's Michelle Turner from Movement Lesson, and the following video is a video review that I'm doing. I have a private Facebook group. It's Movement Lesson for parents and practitioners. So whether you're a parent with concerns or you're a professional that you're continuing your learning to work with not only special needs kids, but with everybody. Gymnastics, athletes, I review videos for free, but within a closed group. So you have to provide a video, and I'm going to give a review as to where I feel you need help with movement, vision, function. That's what I'm about. So here's the following video review. Please like or subscribe. That's how you keep updated on all my work. I have the largest library of working with the human body, and I would love your comments, but YouTube took them away because I'm a children's channel. So that's why I've moved a lot of my work over onto the Facebook group. I would love your participation, so I hope to see you in the group. Thanks, bye. Hi, it's Michelle from Movement Lesson, and thanks for posting the video. Sorry it took me so long, but I'm in training, and that's what it is. So, child, your daughter is very visually impaired. This is not CVI. This is more where you have to work with her. It's more exotropia, I feel. Not the best video to look at it because I still don't have a straight line, but she does not have a horizon with her vision, sorry. So you really see it here when she's here, the eye dips down and it dips down versus even being here to here. Now, the first thing that needs to be done though is the pelvis. That pelvis needs to be there to start countering that vision, right? This is what starts with the vision. So what's happening, and it's not ATNR, don't let someone tell you that, but again, she's literally at one point like where she lifts the eye up and lifts the eye up. So just explain what you're seeing, what I'm seeing with the exotropia. Hold on. So as I'm looking at you like this, right? And now this would be vision where I see I can go in and out. Her eyes wants to go. I'm sure you're seeing her look at you more like this. And this is where she's going, where she's kind of lifting the eye and lifting the eye, right? Versus having the crossing the midline of the eye. So you're not seeing where she's here, she's doing more and more. You can also tell a visual impairment, and this is where the tongue thrusting is coming from, because that's where almost like it's her eyes, her ears and eyes, where she's tasting, trying to taste the toys and stuff, is that's her way of sensing her vision. So wouldn't lock up the pelvis too much. I know you need to put her in safe places at times, but I'd really be working with the vision to go with that. I would start out very simple, 1 to 2 toys, maybe a set of beads, a little bit of a sparkly paper and so forth, because what you're looking for first is to bring the eyes more in the horizon. She wants to do here. It almost looks like she has a drooped eyelids in a sense that way. But I really just think it's because, you know, this is where she is with her, the lack of the pubic bone or the pelvis coordinating with the eyes going down. And we're looking for, again, to start bringing that gaze out. So that would be the first thing. You want her visual field to be about here, a little bit of sparkly paper, some beads within her range. Now, again, if it's true exotropia, it's hard to tell in the videos. The ophthalmologist will be able to tell you, but you're going to see where she's going to be looking with the right eye and then the left eye, because when the eyes go out, there's no convergence field. And so right now we've just got to bring that gaze in first, and that's where you're seeing this kind of movement here. It's really bouncing the balance off of her eyes, and she needs to push the hands in to move the head. Because of the weight of the eyes in the sense when she's moving side to side. So that's where I would go first with her. Let's stabilize the vision and the pelvis, see if we can synchronize. And again, even if you're just teasing the system, you'll see me work here as I'm bringing here, even if right now it's more auditory than it is visual, to get these motions to sync up. Once they start syncing up, we can start in initiating those basic movements. We can start initiating movements further. I don't go by age corrected, I go by movement, and these are the movements that we have to go after. So thanks, I hope that helps, bye.